It's April in UK 2026 and the weather is absolutely freezing cold and very windy, and these stone fruits, I spray them with a copper spray because the peach trees and nectarines, they are prone to disease, especially when it's windy, and they can get disease from other gardens. As you can see, the leaves are curling. But anyway, let's hope the weather gets better soon. Get a bit of sunshine and heat on them. Now these flowered about a month ago, and now they're starting to show some signs of fruits on them, as you can see. And up here, they're like a little peas. That's my Saturn peach. Again, these are the peach leaf curl, and I ordered a copper spray and I sprayed it. All the other sprays didn't do any good. Okay, I've taken all the peaches off before the ants gets to rest of them. There is one. Let's have a taste. Look at that. That's what they're going for. All that juice. That's where the ants was trying to get in. So is this one. So I put all the fruits, put them in the kitchen, let them ripen. That's not bad considering the tree had a bit of a disease, peach leaf curl, short blast. Right, let's go and put these in the kitchen and let them get a little bit more riper. Next year I will try a different method and stop the ants getting onto this tree. I've got an idea how to stop them. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time, and don't forget, hit the like and subscribe if you want to see any more of my garden videos.